Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to start with facts. The iPhone 12 does not include a native always-on display, so you must use workarounds. First, update to the latest iOS. This ensures compatibility with clock or screen apps. Once done, decide which path you'll take. A reputable third-party always-on clock app, guided access to lock a clock on screen, or a jailbreak method if you accept risk. Make sure to back up your device before trying risky steps. Now set up the persistent display. Install a trusted clock or nightstand app, then open it and choose a dim or dark theme to save power. Next, set auto lock to never in settings display and brightness so the screen won't time out. This keeps the app visible, but it uses battery. Also enable tap to wake so you can glance quickly. Make adjustments. Lower brightness, pick dark colors, and disable unnecessary animations for efficiency. Finish by testing your chosen method for a realistic period, because constant on-screen time affects battery and heat. If you want a locked clock, enable guided access and accessibility, open the clock app, and start guided access to prevent accidental exits. Make sure background app refresh and permissions are granted. If things go wrong, for example the screen keeps timing out, double-check auto lock, close battery-aggressive apps, and restart the phone. Remember.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.